Hey everyone, how you doing tonight? This is Al coming to you from Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. Just want to do something a little different tonight. Everyone knows that down here in Florida, where we have the NBA bubble, but what you guys might not know is that the Goodyear Blimp has been flying around a lot, doing some great video photography. And so I want to show you guys the Goodyear Blimp flying over Central Florida. Stand by. There we go. So let's see if we can zoom in on this. We have the Goodyear Blimp. So right now I'm actually right across the street from Celebration, and right over here, of course, is Disney's Wide World of Sports. You can see the lights farther down there, but that's the Goodyear Blimp. And I don't know what this one's called. Maybe I could, I'm gonna research how many blimps that they have, but this is really cool because I know as a kid I used to love seeing stuff like this. It's been so long, and what's really amazing is we have a lightning storm coming in. So I imagine blimps are okay during the lightning, but what the blimp is doing right there is it's making a circle. It's like it's circling Wide World of Sports. So as I was saying, if you look over this way, this is where Celebration is on this side. Wide World of Sports is right over here, and the blimp is making a circumference all around. Now this is on maximum magnification. I feel like I'm in Star Trek telling you that, maximum magnification, but there's the blimp, the Goodyear Blimp. And like I said, I'm going to do a little research on how many blimps that there are maybe. But that's really cool. Look at that. It's amazing how it makes its turns and stuff. I mean, you really can't see it from here, but it's really making, I didn't realize that they could turn on a dime like that. I mean, it's hard to really tell from the area, but look at that sunset too. But it's actually turning on a dime. It is almost pretty much flying right around Wide World of Sports. You know, it's given itself like a kind of like a wide oval, but it's really not that wide because, like I say, you really can't see it, but it's pretty tight where that thing is flying. Pretty amazing. All right, so I'm just going to continue on here, and we'll see what other videos we can get. We're going to go across the street to Publix, so maybe if it swings around the other direction, I'll get a better view of it when it comes around the circle. So let's see. Stand by. So I'm off today, just going into Publix. Obviously, we're going to continue our blimp story, but it's Halloween time coming, so I just want to show you this little display quickly. So this is right outside Publix in Celebration. Going to continue the... hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Great.
Going to continue the blimp story in a second. But I thought this was really cool. I wanted to show you this just to wish everybody a happy Halloween. A little early, of course. So as you can see, folks, we got a lightning storm behind me, so I can't really see the... it's actually called Wingfoot 1. There's actually a fleet of 3 Goodyear blimps. So you can see the lightning back there. So I don't know if the blimp kind of took off. I went back about... This particular blimp, Wingfoot 1, is actually based out of Pompano Beach, Florida. That's why it's down here tonight. So it's actually down here covering the NBA Finals in the bubble. And we're just right outside the bubble right now. So the game tonight is between the Boston Celtics and the Miami Heat. As you can see, the lightning behind me. Just here getting some gasoline for my truck. And but I thought it'd be an interesting video to put on because the blimp was such a big thing when I was a kid, and I haven't seen much of it of late. So I'll put up some information, as you saw during the video, on the blimp. There's actually 3 of them. One is based in Ohio, because that's where Goodyear was located, in Akron, and the other one is based out of California, which makes sense, having one in the middle of the country, one in the east, one in the west. So very smart, Goodyear. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, a little quick video. As always, thank you for watching. Please support our channel. All the money that that's gained from this channel, because it's recently been monetized, goes to our foundation, the Waffles Foundation. We are basically ready to start up the Waffles Foundation, so please look us up on Facebook, the Waffles Foundation, where you can find our website, www.wafflesfoundation.org. It's a wonderful foundation, folks. We're going to try to stamp out suicide. We lost my wonderful son, Matt, last year to that, and we're just trying to do the best we can. We're going to be giving out musical instruments to kids who can't afford to play. So please support us. I'd really appreciate it. So this is Al in a rainstorm, in a lightning storm, reporting on the Goodyear Blimp, and talk to you soon on the next video. See you real soon, folks. Bye-bye. So as you can see, it's a really rainy night in Orlando, in Central Florida. You could see why the Goodyear Blimp kind of went back to Pompano Beach. Look at that, lightning. Usually you don't get this. It's 8:30 at night. Usually you get this more in the daytime. So I don't know if we have some kind of storm coming in or whatever, but you can see how heavy the rain is.
Hurricane
in Central
season.
Florida. Oh, hurricane season, yep. Guess that could answer the question probably.